జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 346th నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం పద్మినే నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, you are the one who is having beautiful handsome divyamangala vigraham and holding a lotus in your hands always. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus like divine feet. Om Padmine Namaha. Om Padmine Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is addressing all the citizens in Nandigramam, the village. He is saying that after my brother Sri Ramachandra Swami comes back, and after he started wearing these golden padukas, then along with these golden padukas, while enjoying Ramachandra Swami's divine feet and while bhajishye, serving Ramachandra Swami, I will be spending my rest of life. Oh my dear people, while doing service to my Ramachandra Swami, with that I am going to wash out all my sins. Dhutapapo bhavamicha. Bharata is saying to all the people like this, and also saying that, oh my dear people, if I had to do this ruling of the kingdom, if whatever the comforts and pleasures that I had to enjoy while ruling the kingdom, that is nothing in front of my Ramachandra Swami's ruling. When my Rama comes back and started ruling the kingdom, and under his ruling while you are all enjoying all the comforts, that makes me more and more happy. Like this, Dinaha Vilapan, Bharata is moving to tears with so much of emotions and so much of expressions towards Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Bharata started living in Nandigramam along with all of his Sainyam and army and all the ministers. Bharata started living over there while having Naravastras, jata, matted hair, and he is looking like a sage, Muni. And he started living in Nandigramam, Bhratruvatsalaha, with so much of love and affection upon Sri Ramachandra Swami. Bharata is living in Nandigramam. Bhratuhu Vachanakari, while ruling whatever Ramachandra Swami ordered, while following orders of Sri Ramachandra Swami, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Pratignya Paragaha, while standing on his own words, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Ramagamanam Akankshan, while waiting for Sri Ramachandra Swami, Bharata started living in Nandigramam. Sasanam Sarva Padukabhyam Nyavedayat, all kind of affairs of that kingdom, all kind of political affairs and everything, he is presenting to Padukas. While doing that, Bharata is living in Nandigramam. Nandigrame avasat, in Nandigramam only Bharata living. Then Bharata, after deciding all this with so much of faith in Sri Ramachandra Swami's Padukas, he did Paduka Pattabhishekam, ततस्तु भरतः श्रीमान् अभिषिच्य आर्यपादुके. He did Paduka Pattabhishekam. Then completely surrendering to Padukas, tadadhinaha. While surrendering to Padukas, he started taking care of kingdom. Tada rajyam karayamasa sarvada. Everything he is presenting to Padukas. Whatever the small and big work that he had to do, he had to launch. Everything, first thing he does is he does offer, he does presents to the Padukas. If somebody brings anything, if somebody brings any valuable things or any gift, sa Padukabhyam pradhamam nivedya. First thing he offers to Padukas, and then Bharata takes care of all the things as and how it's supposed to be taken care. Like that, Bharata, being completely dedicated to, surrendered to Padukas, Sri Rama Padukas, he started taking care of kingdom while living in Nandigramam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 37th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Asokaha, Taranaha, Taraha, Suraha, Saurihi, Janeswaraha, Anukulaha, Setavartaha, Padmi, पद्मनिभेक्षणः. ॐ सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण. ॐ पद्मिने नमः. ॐ पद्मिने नमः. ॐ पद्मिने नमः.